Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install WampServer on Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and you need to type over here WampServer, download, hit enter. So that will show you this link. You need to click on that link. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will get this button, start using WampServer. Click on that. It's going to redirect to this section. Here you can see latest version of WAMP is version 3.3.7. Just simply click on this button. It will give you this form. You can always fill this, or you can also directly download it. So click on this and it's going to redirect to SourceForge page and it's going to start downloading within 5 seconds. Here it is rightly started downloading. So latest version for SourceForge page is 3.4.0 and it is rightly downloaded. Just simply click on this installer. You can minimize your browser. I'm going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes and there you go. Here to select your language, I'm going to proceed with English and I'm going to click on OK. These are all license agreement. You must read it, accept it and click on next. Again, these are all information. You can read it and click on next. But you can see it is showing some error, right? So it is basically telling that you don't have this Visual C++ 2012, then 2010 SP1, again 2012 x64. So these are all the missing items. We don't have those DLLs installed on our system. So that's why it's very important to download those packages. Don't worry, everything I'm going to show you on this video itself. Just keep watching this video. So first you need to go to browser, open a new tab and just simply type WampServer Avia Techno, hit enter. So that will give you this link. Go to that link. Again, this link I'm going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you have to scroll down till bottom and you will get these Microsoft VC++ packages links over here. So these are all for 32-bit and these are all for 64-bit. Now you go to your error message again and see which are all packages missing. So 2012 x86 is missing. So you go back to your browser and check it over here. So 2012 x86 is what was missing. 2012 x86. Just simply click on this link and it's going to download that package. Next, what is missing? 2010 SP1 of x64. So this is x64. Here it is 2010 SP1 x64. Click on this package and download it. It's going to start downloading. Next, what is missing is 2012 x64. So again, go to your browser, 2012 x64, this one. It is rightly downloaded. So on your case, you might get a longer list, like maybe 4 or 5 packages are missing on your system. It could happen. So whatever one are missing, you need to just download it from this list. So 32-bit and 64-bit, you need to just download it from that list and you need to install it. So I just showed you how to download it. Now next step is to install it. So select each of the installer and install it locally on your system. Here it is rightly installed. So first one is installed. Next, proceed with the next one. Click on yes, accept the license agreement and click on install. It has rightly installed. Similarly, you need to do the final one as well. Accept the license agreement, install, click on yes, and this one is also rightly installed. Click on close. So when all these packages are installed, you can just click on OK over here, and now when you click on next, bingo, you can see now it is no longer showing any error. So now just simply click on next. So that's going to immediately start installing our WampServer. And you can see that our WampServer is almost installed, but this time it is asking whether you like to use Edge as a default browser. You can use Edge completely or you can make Chrome also. Totally fine. Just in that case, you need to proceed with no and need to select Chrome. I'll proceed with Edge. So I'm going to click on yes. Just click on open. Similarly, it is telling whether you like to change your text editor. By default, it has selected Notepad. You can easily point it to Visual Studio Code. You can easily do that. For now, you can just simply click on yes. Totally fine. Click on open. By default, Notepad is fine. You can use Visual Studio Code anytime for opening that project and running that. Everything I'm going to show you. Nothing to worry about. So it has rightly installed. Click on next and click on finish. So our WampServer is now directly installed. Here is our desktop shortcut for WampServer. Just double click on that WampServer, click on yes. We're going to start our WampServer. So all services are running. Here if you click on this drop down, you can see WampServer is green. So all services are running. Now let's do a bit of PHP programming and see how you can run that on browser. So go to your C drive. You will get a WAMP64 folder over here. You need to go inside that WAMP64 folder. You will get a www folder over here. So you have to go inside this www folder. Here you have to create a folder. So right click and create a new folder and give this folder name as PHP_practice. You can give any folder name. Next, just go inside that folder and select this address bar and type cmd to open your command prompt right at this location. And now if you have Visual Studio already installed on your system, you just simply type code, then dot and hit enter. So what it's going to do is it's going to open Visual Studio Code by opening this PHP practice folder. So this exact folder is opened over here. You can click on I trust the authors and all. So that's a trick I just showed you. But if you don't have Visual Studio installed on your system, then you can easily create a new text document from here. Just right click, hover over new and clicking on this text document will give you this option, and you can write your own PHP file and you can start working on it over here, right? But I'll recommend you to install Visual Studio Code. If you are facing any difficulty, please do follow this video to know how to install Visual Studio Code. So here is our Visual Studio Code folder is rightly open. Just click on this plus icon and give a file name called index.php. Hit enter. So it has rightly opened. Here let's write a hello world PHP code snippet. So angular bracket and close that angular bracket, and we are going to just echo hello world. It end with semicolon and hello world. Just save this file. And now if you go to your folder again, and here is our file rightly created over here. Now it's time to run this file. So for that you need to go to your browser and open a new tab and just simply type localhost, give a slash. Next you need to provide that folder name. So whatever folder name you have created, so that project folder name is what you need to. So you can rename this and copy this file name. So PHP_practice, this folder name is what you need to paste it over here. So right click and paste. That's it. Hit enter. And bingo. Hello world is clearly shown on your browser. So whatever you have written, so that output is coming. So that's how you install WampServer and can start working on your PHP projects using this latest version of WampServer. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more these similar kind of videos. And since we are talking about PHP, I highly recommend you to follow these WordPress tutorials as well. So all these videos you can see, some are 1 hour videos, some are 2 hours videos, some are in series. So you can watch all these videos for completely free on our channel. And if you're interested on Python, so for that also we have this playlist. So do check all these different videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.